Hi, good morning. I'm going to clean my Angios ear today because he's showing me how much itching. Come here, come here. Hi, show me. Oh, there, see? Come here. Show me now. Oh, it's itching too much. Come here. Come here now. I will clean now. Come here, say good morning, good morning. I want to clean my, see, it's too much itching. Come on. Come on, show me. Come on here. May kan nga rod dito eh. Oh, it's too much itching. Come here. Come on. Here. May kan nga rod. Oh, here. I have my three buds here, cotton buds. This is the one I'm using to clean my dog. Come here now. How I will fix this one now. So I will show how I will clean my Angios earwax. Come here, baby. Come on, my dog. Come on, my dog. Angios cleaning ear this time. This time, my Angio. Clean ear. Clean air, my Angio. Ay, gayam like this. I don't know how to. Come here now. I cannot clean. How I will clean? Hi. Shana. Is it itching too much your ear? It's itching. How I will clean now? Aman nga rod. Honey, it's itching. Ay, Shana, cute tummy. Cute tummy, my dog. You. Okay, how I will clean now? Stand up, Stand up, I will clean your ear. I like this. Come on, too much early in the morning. Early in the morning, 7:30 only, and see. Arty. Come on, stand up now and we'll clean your ear now. Come on. And I have to put some hot water with salt in my hands. Too much pain. It's too much itching. Come on, I stand up now. Come on, kiss me, Rod. Kiss me. More kiss. More kiss. Ang Rod na siya. Oh, I love my Angio. Come on, stand up nga ron na. Clean now. Anong nga itas na ka mga linis dito eh. I don't know how to. No one will hold my camera. How I will see. Time is going only and I cannot clean your ear. Stand up now, Come on, stand up now. We will clean now. Oh my God, no more time. How I clean? How I will? I don't know how to. I'm trying to fix my camera, so I will clean my. Okay, I will clean like this only, like this. Come on na. See, he likes to clean like this, but I cannot hold. Nobody hold my camera. Tang, why you are? Nobody hold the camera, so I cannot clean properly. But I will show you like this only. Oh, don't move now. Oh, tang. Come on, it's too much itching. Hi, it's itching, Sanda. Come on. Oh, like this. I'm going to clean like this. See? Oh my God, too much dirty. Come on, like this. But I will put down the camera because I cannot clean properly if like this. See, he likes to clean like this. Like this, I'm cleaning like this. See, it's itching too much. Come on. Oh, yes, it's too much itching. Too much dirty. It's itching. Like this, I'm itching. I feel itching too much. Come on. After now, I will put down the camera because. Okay, sorry. So now, thank you for watching. Like this, I'm cleaning my dog ear, but I cannot clean properly because nobody is going to hold my camera. Okay, now thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for viewing. And salamat po. Ingat all. Bye-bye. So I will clean properly now. my unused ear because now nobody is holding my camera, so I'll just only show you a little bit. Okay, bye bye now. Take care.